Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Teach Tutorial Now. Friends, do you wanna make effect like this or like this? So it's a pretty simple, easy. You can make in only one click. So let's start the video. So friends, download this app named Magic Photo Frames. You can see the icon and install it. I have already installed, so I open this app. So after open, you will see it's look like this, and then click on the photo frame. Suppose I want to add my image. Okay, this one. Okay, so I have imported this image and I can take any frame and add to my photo. If you will select any frame, you just need to drag your image and you can make small like this or like this. So friends, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So it's a very pretty simple, and after this click on the right button and image will be saved. So friends, there you can see there is also one option named photo blend. You can see photo blend. If you will click here, you can blend your photo with the background. So I choose click on the gallery and I take any photo. Suppose I take this one. Okay, this one, and yeah, and click on the right button. Yeah, so I can take any background and mix to my any background like this or like this. So you can adjust how you want to, like this, and yeah, it's mixed with the background, and click on the save. So it's looking like VFX effects. I hope you friends you like this my video, and please don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. It's a very most important. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question or problem, you can comment me. I will help you. Thank you. I'll see you soon with the new video. Till now, bye bye.